Hey everyone, we're all looking for that magic ingredient to make us feel healthier and more energized. What if the real deal has been hiding in plain sight? Did you know there's a natural superfood in your grocery store that can boost your energy, improve your health, and sharpen your brain? It's beetroot. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll discover why beetroot is a game changer for your health and how to incorporate it into your daily life. Let's talk about energy. We all want it, especially in those mid-afternoon slumps or before a tough workout. But before you reach for another cup of coffee or that sugary energy drink, consider this. Beetroot can give you a natural, sustained energy boost. Beets are loaded with nitrates. Nitrates are naturally occurring compounds, and our bodies convert them into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide tells your blood vessels to relax and widen. This means your blood can flow more easily, delivering oxygen and vital nutrients to your muscles and organs, including your brain. That's why athletes are turning to beetroot juice. It's a natural way to enhance performance and power through challenging workouts. Whether you're facing a busy day at work or need a pick-me-up, beetroot can help you power through naturally. We've talked about how beetroot can boost your energy levels, but did you know it's also a powerhouse for heart health? Those nitrates we discussed earlier play a crucial role in keeping your heart happy. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease, and beetroot has been shown to help lower blood pressure naturally. By relaxing and widening your blood vessels, nitric oxide allows your blood to flow more freely, reducing the strain on your heart. Studies have shown that regularly incorporating beetroot into your diet can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. We all know we should be eating for a healthy heart, and beetroot makes it easy and delicious. So show your heart some love and add some beetroot to your plate. You'll be thanking yourself for years to come. We've covered energy and heart health, but what about our brains? Beetroot can give your brain a boost too. Remember, beetroot enhances blood flow, and that's crucial for a healthy brain. Your brain requires a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients to function properly, and good blood flow ensures it gets what it needs. Some studies suggest that beetroot can improve cognitive function, particularly as we age. Whether you're a student facing exams, a professional tackling a demanding workload, or simply want to maintain your mental edge, beetroot can be a valuable ally. So the next time you're looking for a brain-boosting snack, reach for some beetroot. Your brain will thank you. Let's face it, we all know we should be eating more fruits and vegetables. But with beetroot, you're not just checking off a box. You're fueling your body with a nutritional powerhouse. Beetroot is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that your body craves. We're talking about vitamin C, an immune-boosting superstar that helps your body fight off infections. Then there's folate, crucial for cell growth and repair, especially important during pregnancy. And let's not forget manganese, a mineral that plays a key role in bone health. Beetroot is also a good source of potassium, essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. It even contains iron, crucial for carrying oxygen throughout your body, preventing fatigue, and boosting energy levels. So when it comes to nutritional value, beetroot is a true winner. It's like a multivitamin from nature, providing your body with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. In today's world, we're constantly bombarded by things that can damage our cells. Pollution, stress, even the food we eat. That's where antioxidants come in. They're like little superheroes fighting off those harmful compounds and protecting our cells from damage. And guess what? Beetroot is loaded with antioxidants, particularly a powerful type called betalains. Betalains are responsible for beetroot's vibrant red color, but they're also potent inflammation fighters. By reducing inflammation, betalains help protect your cells from damage and support overall health. Incorporating beetroot into your diet is like giving your body an army of antioxidant superheroes, ready to fight off those harmful free radicals. Let's talk about fiber for a moment. We all know it's important for digestion, but fiber does so much more than keep things moving smoothly in our gut. And you guessed it, beetroot is a great source of fiber. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, which helps prevent constipation and keeps things regular. Fiber also acts like a prebiotic, providing food for the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for everything from digestion and nutrient absorption to immunity and even mental health. By feeding the good bacteria in your gut, fiber helps maintain a healthy balance and supports your overall well-being. So if you're looking for a delicious way to increase your fiber intake and support a healthy gut, look no further than beetroot. Now that you know all the amazing benefits of beetroot, let's talk about how to incorporate it into your diet. One of the simplest and most popular ways to enjoy beetroot is by juicing it. Beetroot juice is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed on its own, or added to smoothies and other beverages. To make beetroot juice, simply wash and chop 1 or 2 beetroots and juice them using a juicer. If you don't have a juicer, you can use a blender and then strain the juice through a cheesecloth or fine mesh sieve. Beetroot juice has a slightly earthy flavor that some people find a bit strong. If you're new to beetroot, try adding a squeeze of lemon or lime juice to brighten the flavor. Whether you enjoy it as a morning pick-me-up or a post-workout recovery drink, beetroot juice is a fantastic way to boost your nutrient intake. If you're looking for a delicious and satisfying way to enjoy beetroot, roasting is a fantastic option. Roasting beetroot brings out its natural sweetness and creates a tender, almost melt-in-your-mouth texture. To roast beetroot, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Wash and trim the beetroots, leaving about an inch of the stems intact. Drizzle with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and wrap each beetroot individually in aluminum foil. Place the wrapped beetroots on a baking sheet and roast for 45 to 60 minutes, or until tender when pierced with a fork. Once roasted, allow the beetroots to cool slightly before handling. Roasted beetroot can be enjoyed as a side dish, added to salads, or used as a topping for pizzas, grain bowls, or even avocado toast. Smoothies are a quick and easy way to pack in a ton of nutrients, and beetroot is a fantastic addition to any smoothie recipe. Its earthy flavor blends well with a variety of fruits, vegetables, and even leafy greens. To add beetroot to your smoothies, simply wash, chop, and add a small beetroot to your blender, along with your other ingredients. If you're short on time, you can use pre-cooked or roasted beetroot for added convenience. Beetroot pairs particularly well with berries, bananas, and spinach in smoothies. For a refreshing and energizing morning smoothie, try blending beetroot with berries, banana, spinach, almond milk, and a scoop of your favorite protein powder. The possibilities are endless when it comes to adding beetroot to your smoothies. Let's address some common questions about beetroot. First up, the question I know is on your mind. Does beetroot taste earthy? Yes, beetroot does have a naturally earthy flavor, but you can easily balance it out with other flavorful ingredients, like citrus fruits, apples, or ginger. Next, you might be wondering, will beetroot turn my pee red? Yes, it's true. Beetroot can temporarily turn your urine and even your stool a reddish color. But don't worry, it's completely harmless. Finally, can everyone eat beetroot? For most people, beetroot is a safe and healthy addition to their diet. However, if you have any underlying health conditions such as kidney stones or low blood pressure, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before adding beetroot to your diet. That's it for today's video on the incredible health benefits of beetroot. Beetroot isn't just food, it's fuel for your body, your heart, and your mind. If you're looking for a simple way to feel healthier and more energized, start with this incredible root. From boosting energy levels and supporting heart health to enhancing brain function and providing essential nutrients, beetroot is a true superfood that deserves a place on your plate. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't pass by those vibrant red roots. Grab a bunch and experience the amazing health benefits of beetroot for yourself. Now it's your turn. In the comments, let me know how you plan to use beetroot in your meals or if you've tried it before. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips that'll change your life. Let's root for your health together.